I'm going to talk to you about money like I always have been. I'm going to tell you a little bit about myself, and then I'm going to tell you a little bit about you watching this shit. All right? I've been explaining in an honest manner what's going on with currency, what's going on with metals, what's going on with jewelry, what's going on. A lot of jewelers out there switching up the style, showing how the production is made, trying to explain information. That's great. That's nice. I wonder why. Because the duping of the clients is over. And it's the problem. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people got a backwards mentality. And there's going to be a correlation to that, to this shitty-ass Bitcoin price. You know why? Because people want something for nothing. I like to teach, like to build, like to produce. I like to be productive. I hire a team of people. I produce jewelry. I learn it. I teach it. I do everything correct. Thankless job. A lot of rappers, a lot of people, some of them already thanked me because they see me ranting and raving and they saw and they felt some type of way because they knew I was talking directly to them. Even though they think I can't see them, I can. Right? Why? What's the point? The point is a lot of people in this world want something for nothing. They want someone else to work for it and they get it. And that is an example of what's going on here. What the fuck kind of investment, asset, or anything like that loses 46% in a year-over-year situation, and damn near, however, made 80% or so or more in a short amount of 6 month amount of time. It's no asset at all. So I want to explain to you because a lot of people are confused. They thinking all this shit, and I've been watching a lot of Bitcoin videos and this and that. Me, I took my money and all the hard work I did over the pandemic explaining shit. I sat there, I took it, and I invested it properly into inventory for my clients in my business where I produce shit and actually do shit to make money. I don't sit here and get a digital sack of shit somewhere and sell. I do make a Bitcoin. I make this one for my boy at Hoodville. I make it, I respect it, I accept it as a form of payment. I want to help you guys out. I don't want you to lose your money. I'll accept it as a form of payment. But when we accept it as a form of payment, there's some transaction time, there's this. At the end of the day, I still got to deal with some asshole central shithole to convert it into dollars so I could pay my rent and pay my fees. Because by the time I pay it somewhere else, someone's going to steal your fucking passport or a password and you're going to have nothing. So all these bullshit arguments of dreamers and believers. And what is at the root of it all? You don't want to do any fucking work. You want to sit here, click your fucking finger like this, and have millions of dollars show up, and that's it. And you don't give a fuck about anybody else on the other side. And for some people, that worked out well. But for the rest of you motherfuckers, it's not going to work out so fucking good. Because there's got to be a hell of a lot of fucking losers for one winner. What is the issue with this fucking Bitcoin system? One, if the price goes down low enough, how is it going to be profitable to even mine this shit? The electric bills, how much does it cost? What's the fundamental cost to mining a Bitcoin? Once it goes below that fundamental cost, you can't mine Bitcoins, then what happens? Anybody think about that? The honeymoon is over. The dream is over of having this shitty Bitcoin system and so on and so forth, and it's the future, and it's decentralized. None of that has happened. It's been years none of that has happened. I tell you what has happened. There's something called frictional costs. If you want to know actual business, why am I so frustrated? It's frustrating to live in a world with a bunch of fucking lost souls. It's frustrating. I'm a productive person. I want to build. I want to create. I don't want to scam anybody. I don't want to scam my clients. I don't want to sell you something that's nothing. You never saw me come up with a Trax coin. You never saw me come up with an NFT. People offer it to me all the time. I don't want to sell somebody. If someone said, yeah, you could sell this TraxNYC logo as an NFT for $500,000, I don't want to do that, bro. I don't want somebody to get $500,000, zero nothing somewhere, and then come to me and say, shit, what happened? I lost all my money. That's not going to happen to me. That's not going to happen with my business because my brand stands for fucking something. For productivity, for quality, for reason. So, what's the issue? The issue is this. Frictional costs. People are going into Bitcoin, coming out of Bitcoin, going into Bitcoin, coming out of Bitcoin. They go into Bitcoin, it goes up. They go out of Bitcoin, it goes down. But if they sit still, pay attention, If they sit still, there's frictional costs. The cost of Coinbase, the cost of keeping a track of all this shit, the cost of doing all this business, all that eats away at the profits. It eats it away on a gentle downhill slope. So the longer you wait, the more down you'll see. And if no new people are coming in, all you're going to do is keep going down and down and down and down and down. And then you get bored, like so many people did, and you want out. And you're fighting the 20,000 and you're buying back in and you're coming in and you're thinking, what are you coming in? You're going to buy it at $18,800. What are you going to do with it now? You're going to wait till $50,000 and sell it to someone else? Hoping that person could go fuck themselves? That's your business? That's what you do? That's how you make money? That's not how I make money. I'm not selling you. I'm not coming up here and explaining, hey, buy a Miami Cuban gold chain. Silver's underpriced. Gold is underpriced. So next week or next year you could come back and be completely fucked over. I'll tell you when the gold price is high. I'll tell you everything I know. There is no reward for me from my dignity except from my clients, and my clients have money and have sense. The rest of you moving your fucking thumbs or dreaming big dreams in this country and fucking it up are damned fucking fools. Now, bear in mind, I got no problem. I hope I'm wrong for your sake. I've explained this a year ago. I explained this a year and a half ago. I explained everything in absolute detail of what will happen and how it will happen. There's a fundamental reality. This argument of rarity and decentralized. Nothing is decentralized. You still got to deal with a bunch of assholes to get your money in and out of this shit. Fact? Fact. Oh, it's so rare. What's rare about it? Every other fucking shitty crypto is out there with a market capacity of this and that, so on and so forth. People have $350 billion in this fucking digital shit. And you're taking it out little by little. At some point in time, they take it out. I don't even know if you're going to hash these transactions or run that blockchain anymore. That's dangerous for your fucking money. The games are going to come to an end, and the chickens are going to come home to roost. If you want a fucking gold chain, get one while you can. You got that?